Hey, how y'all doing today? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're a first-time viewer. Today I'm just going to be doing a few random chores around the house. I'm going to put a load of laundry on to wash. I'm going to wash a few dishes that I have in my sink. I'm going to try to do some dusting, and if there's any time left after that, I'm going to be working a little bit on that dreaded room that I've been trying to work on all year, just a tiny bit at a time in between everything else. I do have a plan in order for trying to get it done quite a bit faster, and I guess I can go ahead and tell you about that. So when my kids was little, if their rooms were very, very messy and it was like a school week and everything, I would have them make their bed and do just, whatever they could. But I would also tell them to do one wall a day. Work on one wall this day, one wall that day until they got the whole room clean. And it always worked out. So I can't do one wall a day on that room because I only have one day a week off. But I can do one wall a week. So I'm fixing to try that and see what happens. But you'll be seeing me slowly working on that room in different videos, and hopefully I'll have it all finished up pretty soon. So let's get started on today's chores. Just in case you're wondering why I always turn the water on so early when I'm getting ready to wash dishes, it takes our hot water forever to heat up. It always has. We've even had a new hot water heater over the years. That's just how it is in this house for some reason. When I get ready to clean my sink, I always put some anti-bac in there. Today I'm using the Method bamboo scent, and I just spray it in there first so it has a couple of more minutes to sit and do its work. And then I'm going to add some of this Mrs. Meyers baking soda cream cleanser. and then just scrub the heck out of it with my Scrub Daddy. I love these things.
If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now, 'cause we only have this life.
Right here, I'm just gonna go ahead and dry all the excess water up off of everything with a paper towel.
So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now.
Now I'm just cleaning off this kitchen counter by the sink so I can wipe it down. And I'm gonna use some Mrs. Meyers honeysuckle scent to do that.
We can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now.
And I'm just gonna do a little bit of dusting with my duster in the laundry room and in the living room. I didn't finish all my dusting this day, but I wanted to get a start on it.
So baby, we should start living now, 'cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now.
One day, very soon, I've got a can of Pledge in the cabinet that I want to go ahead and use. It's orange scented, so I thought it would go really good for spring and summer, and I'm wanting to really wipe down all of this wood. We have so much dust because of the dogs running around in the yard and stirring up dust. I just want to put something on here that might repel that dust a little bit because it gets super dusty within a couple of days. Also, this is probably not the easiest area in my house to dust. It's got all these crevices and these little designs on these poles, and there's some other areas that's really hard to get the dust out of because it's such a small area. But I can do it, it just takes some work. that's just about all the time I have for today's video. I hope y'all got a little bit of random cleaning motivation out of this and got a few things done around your house today too. Y'all have a good day. See you next time.